Good Boxing Day morning, everybody. How's the hangovers? I've got Alka-Seltzer and coffee. For us, look at that, it's nearly 10 o'clock. Been up since 7:30, sorry enough. Michelle's just getting herself out of bed now, to be quite honest. I'll let her sleep for a while. Gonna have some coffee. Yeah, we were going to go out today, but unfortunately we just had a message that Gary Trees, who we were going to go around and visit, are a little bit ill, so that one's put off a couple of days, but we've no doubt we'll do it later on in the week. So we're going to take the opportunity to chill, and I do apologise for that statement, but yeah, take the opportunity to relax and recharge the batteries a little bit. Moving on. Look at that, guys, it snows a day late. Why? It's coming at the right time because we don't have to go out. Oh, white Christmas. Moving on. I've forgotten what day it is. Whatever the day after Boxing Day is. Morning, everybody. It's Wednesday. It snowed even more.
It was snowing a little bit earlier.
Yeah, it's snowing again, and it's a little bit white out there. Looks like we're having a, whoa, come back round. Sorry, bad camera with bad me. Bad hour. Looks like we're going to have a white New Year, not a white Christmas. Anyway, I'm going to start the day with some coffee. Didn't do much vlogging yesterday due to the fact it's Boxing Day, and we had a total laze. Because that's what Boxing Day is for, isn't it? And today apparently, because, well, we're actually just waiting for our shopping to be delivered. So we managed to get a shopping slot, and obviously now because it's snowing they're running a little bit late, but we're not in a hurry. Moving on. Okay guys, Michelle is at the moment, she is put a ham on to, is it simmer?
Yeah, I'm basically boiling it for stock.
Yeah, what Michelle's doing there, she's boiling that ham for stock, and she's going to use the stock to make lentil soup, yeah? And then she'll bake the ham, and yeah, all things are good, and it's like Christmas again, yeah? Look at that snow now.
Apparently the roads are really bad, a lot of black ice.
Yeah, I'm not surprised, probably haven't been dressing. But anyway, moving on, I do apologise for all that Christmas again stuff, I don't know what came to me. I haven't had coffee yet, it's 11:30, that's probably what it is, lack of caffeine. Moving on. Okay guys, we never learn. Every year we've just had a massive shop at Christmas, 2 days before Christmas, and now we've gone out and had to buy loads more pickles and crisps and pineapples and peanuts, because you know what, it's the law. Yeah, so our food delivery's just come. Obviously bought more than just that. We've got some lentils. And they're food approved lentils for the soup, for the lentil soup, because it's kind of a key ingredient in it. Anyway, we're watching a bit of Miss Marple, Agatha Christie, and relaxing.
We are.
So we're going to have an easy afternoon of it, aren't you?
I am.
Moving on. Press the button. Good Thursday morning, everybody. The snow is still here. Oh, look, some birds. Them definitely looks like snow clouds behind them birds. You know what? I'm going to have some coffee and warm up. Hi guys, we've just been sitting around doing literally nothing because we're on holiday and we can. But in the meantime, My geek box has arrived. It's the biggest geek box I've ever had. So they've either sent me something really huge or they've run out of boxes. First impressions there, they've run out of boxes. Okay guys, first things first, I've got a My Geek Box 25-cent insert coin to play pin. The t-shirt, let me put this down to one side. See, it's huge, this box. That's the t-shirt. I haven't seen it yet. What is it?
Sons of Alderaan, Rebel Scum.
Rebel Scum. Oh, it's a glow in the dark one, isn't it? Pokemon hat.
Peekabee! The Pikachu hat.
I somehow don't think so. What are you laughing for? Does it not suit me?
No.
I didn't think so. Yeah, I'll have to try that one on later. This is how you see that man cannot open plastic bags for a whinge that. Ginger dead man.
That's really cool, actually.
Ginger dead man, he's been run over and he's got a spike through his bonds. It's a Creepers .co.uk. The final item, a Breaking Bad official 2018 calendar. Yeah, and that is what he's got on the back side of it. And we've never watched that programme, have we?
I'm pretty sure we've got the DVDs somewhere. I can't remember if we got Breaking Bad or The Walking Dead.
No, it's The Walking Dead. Breaking Bad's on one of the streaming services. And there you go, guys. I think I've looked out with that one. Michelle's looked in. Because if I turn up to work with that on, I probably won't ever have to go to work ever again. Or I certainly won't be able to go work ever again. Yeah. Try that one. Ginger, I can't even say it, Ginger Dead Man.
Yep, that's cool.
And that is the final geek box, final geek box of the year. I've had my final Marvel box because we're cancelling it. Well, that t-shirt, I like that t-shirt, I really like that t-shirt. Yep, that's cool, that is. It's got the skull on it and everything. Moving on. Hi guys, you won't believe how long it used to take me to turn that camera on then. I've just had nothing but trouble. No SD card, whatever. Hope I've not lost all my footage. Anyway, it's at 12:30 in the morning, not in the afternoon. So that's way past my usual 9 o'clock bedtime. So for me, I'm going to have to go to bed now. Whoops. what happened is I sat here and I got carried away doing things on the PC and learning new things like you do, which always interests you. So I was kind of learning how to edit sound, because you can for nothing. You can download some free software called Audacity, so I decided to learn it just for something to do while I'm off. Anyway, talking of which, Michelle went to bed about 3 hours ago, so I think I shall have to follow her. So with that, it's a good night from me, and it's a good night from Michelle upstairs in bed. Friday tomorrow. Generally I would be saying weekend day, but it is weekend day, but seeing as we're off, it's just one day closer to going back to work. Never mind, a couple of parties to go to before then. Moving on. Good Friday morning, guys. Is it 2 days to Hogmanay? Yeah. Or 3 days?
2, Sunday.
2 days to Hogmanay, and then we can party. Like it's 1999 again. I can't think of anything else. Morning.
Morning.
Been up long?
10 minutes or so.
Oh, okay. Did he get up? Or did I? Which is why it's up. Moving on. Okay guys, we're about to venture out into the cold. Michelle is obviously freezing. She's creaking about the kitchen. She's going to go and have a few drinks of Betty, and we're going to go and watch. What we're going to watch it? Star Wars: The Last Jedi. Moving on. Hey guys, that's it, just watched The Last Jedi. You see I'm in the car on my own. There's a reason for that. Everybody else is parked on the one below, and G, who I give a lift to, has gone down there to get something out of their car. Then we'll go back and pick Michelle up. Now, I've been asked not to film certain people, which is fair enough. I've got really got to respect that. Nothing nasty. It's not because they don't want us to film them, they just feel really uncomfortable and they hate listening to their own voice, and I've got to respect that. So consequently, I'm going to turn you off. Speak to you shortly.